Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana (PMUY) was launched by the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi on 1st May 2016 in order to distribute 5 lakh LPG connections to women of below poverty line (BPL) families. This scheme was proposed in order to provide BPL families with clean cooking fuel, as there has been a major crisis where around 5 lakh deaths in India occurred due to unclean cooking fuel. The scheme is a weapon for women empowerment. With this weapon, LPG connections, a clean cooking fuel reduces cooking time, effort, and is healthier. PMUY also employs the rural youth in the supply chain of cooking fuel. A budget of Rs 8,000 crores was allocated for the scheme. In the scheme's first year, the LPG connections distributed were 2.2 crores against the initial target of 15 million. As of 23rd October 2017, 3 crore LPG connections were distributed, of which 44% were given to families who belonged to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. The number has surpassed 5.8 crores by December 2018. Around 21,000 awareness camps were held by oil marketing companies (OMC), and as compared to 2014, PMUY led to an increase in LPG consumption by 56% in 2019. 1.46 crore below poverty line families around Uttar Pradesh, 88 lakh in West Bengal, 85 lakh in Bihar, 71 lakh in Madhya Pradesh, and 63 lakh in Rajasthan have benefited greatly from this popular scheme. However, while access to liquid petroleum gas stoves and cylinders has increased in the scheme, unfortunately, the use of LPG cylinders remains low. The scheme ensures financial support of Rs 1,600 is provided for LPG connections for every BPL households. The government is said to bear the administrative cost of this support. This subsidy is kept aside for the cylinder's security fee, pressure regulator, booklet, safety hose, and other charges. This scheme also applies to hilly states. PMUY will be effectively applied to several difficulties faced by the people living in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, and Tripura in availing LPG connection for cooking. This scheme's major objectives are to empower women and protect their health from minimizing health crises sprouting from using unclean fossil fuel while cooking. PMUY also strives to reduce indoor pollution from using fossil fuel, which causes respiratory problems. It is also trying to prevent further environmental pollution that is compromised by widespread unclean cooking fuel uses. There are certain criteria under which one will benefit from the PMUY scheme, such as the applicant is to be a woman aged above 18 years and an Indian citizen. She should also belong to a BPL family, and nobody from the household should have an LPG connection. The individual's name should also be on the SECC 2011 list. Apart from the above eligibility criteria, the applicant should also submit a set of documents indicating her BPL status, identity, etc. The PMUY scheme is implemented by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas and has successfully established around 95.1 lakh LPG connections across 11 states in India. Stop.